Hi guys, it's Sherry. Today I am going to show you a really quick way of embedding a back, okay? So I have this new tool here. This is from Create Along. I absolutely love this tool. I've been playing with it off and on, and it is super, super easy to work with. I have 3 different size of my stud backs, okay? Because I want to show you that it works on any size, all right? It does not have to be one particular size back earring. I do like to embed my stuff with super glue. That's just a preference for me. So what I am going to do is I'm going to show you how to do it on each one of these earrings here. So I already prepped these. They're already baked, ready to go. So all I'm going to do is put a small drop of super glue, and it does not have to be a lot. Just a little drop, little drop, okay? And then place it where you want the back of your earring to go. That's about right where I want mine. You could also just put it right on your actual clay, and then just place the back of your earring right on there. So I have mine, you can see, lined up because I want to make sure that all my stuff is even. Because when you're wearing it on your ears, you want your stuff to be even. You don't want it to be all wonky and one down here, one over here. You just want them to be even. So kind of lay them out together. My glue is coming to an end, so it's a little hard for me to get it out. There we go. I was really surprised on how simple this was, and I'll be honest, I don't think I will do it my old way anymore. I think I'm definitely going to use this tool from now on because it just honestly makes it so much easier. And if you're making a bunch of earrings, you want things to be simple. Nope, that one's not straight. I don't know what's going on with my hand. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to give that a little bit to dry. Let me see. All right, that one's good, and that one's good. All right, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to get my, these are just your hole punchers. I kind of reshaped them, but get your hole puncher and just make sure that whatever thing you use can go over that circle. And I have this clay rolled out to a number 4 on my pasta machine, but honestly, you could go thinner. It does not have to be thick at all. So I got different sizes here just to show you guys how easy these are. All right. Now, what I like to do is I like to get my Sculpey liquid clay. And the reason I do that is because I want to make sure that no matter what, the back of my earring is never going to fall off. Super glue is not going to do it. You have to embed. Now, for me to feel comfortable to make sure that my clay is going to stick to my clay, I need a liquid clay. So all I'm going to do is put my liquid clay right around my post. I'm just going to grab my little silicone tool here, and I'm just going to make sure to spread that around, because as I press that clay into it, it'll push it outwards. And then that way I know 100% my earring is never going to fall apart. And then I just take it and I'm going to push it right down in the middle. Okay, very easy. Push it down again, right in the middle. Now this is what I love. Okay, watch this. These have little holes in them. So you just take your post, you push it in, and watch. 1, 2, 3. And look, it's already, for the bigger ones, you just want to smooth out the top right there because it kind of went right over. But look how beautiful and how easy. And that's all you have to do. I mean, you could probably just do it once, honestly. I like to do it 3 times. But, I mean, just so easy. Very, very simple. I couldn't believe how easy it was. I was so shocked and happy when I received this. And I'm just going to, this is what I'm going to use from now on. So, very easy way of embedding your stuff. There's no fussing about it. And you could do a ton of them all at one time, which is what I really like. Now, I know some people will not use the liquid clay when they're embedding. This is just my preference because I'm a stickler. If I am going to give somebody a pair of earrings or sell a pair of earrings, I just want to make sure that they're going to be 100%. So that's my preference. So put that over. Put that over. Get my tiny ones. I mean, look how easy this is. You're literally just pushing this down. Lining everything up. Pushing it. And it's on. Is that not great? Now I would normally do it in a green color, but I'm using a darker color. So this way you guys can really see what it looks like. And what else I like about this little puck is that you could put this in the oven. It is oven safe. So if you have little studs and you just want to kind of bake your studs right there, you can. I also have used this for my UV resin because I thought it made a great little stand for me to resin on. Isn't that great? So I hope that you guys enjoy this quick little tip on this new tool because I thought it was just a really neat tool and super simple and easy to use. And look at that. So now I'll just put that right in my oven. I'll bake them at the recommended time and temperature, and then my earrings are done. If you don't like them being bulged up like that, some people don't, you could just take your finger and smooth it out and make them like a flatter piece. So you want it the same color, obviously, if you're going to do it that way. But if you want them to really just blend right in, you would get the same color clay and you would just pull it down and smooth it. And do you see how simple that is? I mean, just so easy. So I hope that this little tip and trick helps you, and I will see you all next time. Bye.